Do you have reason to believe I've committed a crime?
Yes,
This encounter begins with an officer demanding ID from a man who insists he hasn't broken any law. He reminds the officer that in Virginia, ID can only be required if there's suspicion of a crime. The officer claims the man had car keys and might have been operating a vehicle with issues, but the man pushes back, saying having keys doesn't prove he drove. What follows is a heated back and forth about rights, suspicion, and whether the stop is even lawful.
No. See, I didn't violate any laws. And you know this like I know this. Right now, you just harassed. That's why I'm recording you. Okay? Okay.
Let me see your license.
And the reason you need to see my license
is because it's requested and it's required by law.
Do you have probable suspicion or reason to believe that I committed a crime for you to ask me for my ID? Because that is the law in the state of Virginia. If you don't know that, I know this.
No,
without
the law
problem,
is that if an officer asks for your driver's license or ID, you provide it.
If they're operating a motor vehicle. You haven't seen me operate any motor vehicle.
That's not in the law at all.
The law in Virginia stipulates that in order for you to ask me for my ID...
No, you can walk down the street and I can require that you
No. See, I'm well versed in law. I've been involved in this situation more than once. The only reason why I would have to give you my ID is if I was under suspicion for having committed a crime. Do you have reason to believe I've committed a crime?
Yes, after the discussion that we just had.
What reason do you have to believe that I've committed a crime?
You have the keys to that car. You led me to believe that you were operating that car. You said you were borrowing it.
I led you to believe that When did I lead you to believe that I was operating that vehicle?
When we were talking over there by the car and you said that you were borrowing it. It wasn't your car.
So where does that lead you to believe I was operating that vehicle?
Why would you borrow a car if you weren't operating it?
I have never... Did you see me in that car? Did you see me operate that car?
You had the keys to the car in your pocket.
Okay. I have a tool in my hand too. That doesn't belong to me either. Okay?
What does that have to do with anything?
The exact same thing that you're on right now. Because I have the key, you believe I operated the vehicle. I have this drill that doesn't believe
the vehicle and you have the keys to the vehicle. Yes.
You asked me, was that my vehicle? I said, no, that was not my vehicle. Okay? What you're doing right now is harassment.
No. I'm trying to get your identification because I removed an inspection sticker that's unlawful that you were in possession of by having the keys to the vehicle.
So I broke the law because I had the keys to the vehicle? Is that what you just said? On camera. I broke the law because I had the keys to a vehicle. Now, whether I'm operating or not, I broke the law having the keys to a vehicle. That's what you just said on camera.
You were in possession and command and control of that vehicle by having the keys with you, yes.
We see the way that will alert is if you it was dominion and control, I believe it is, the way it's written up. Yes. I wasn't in control of the vehicle. So, if you would like to not harass me for the rest of the day, I would like to continue and get back to work like I told you 10 minutes ago.
I'd like you to provide your ID because I've asked for it.
I haven't committed a crime, and you know this. I am not going to provide you with my ID.
Do you really want to go before the magistrate for this?
I do not. I really don't.
I mean, I'd like to let you get back to work.
So why are you harassing me right now? You know that I'm working right there.
Because I've asked you several times for your identification and you're failing to provide it.
There is no need or law or reason why I should have to provide my ID.
There's no need that you feel.
Do you feel like I committed a crime?
It's very possible.
Do you feel like I've committed a crime?
I have suspicion to believe that, yes.
You feel like I've committed a crime?
Yes.
What crime do you feel like I committed?
Being in possession of that unauthorized inspection.
Can you show me anywhere in Virginia law where being in possession of keys to a vehicle is reason enough for me to have to provide my ID when you never saw me operate this vehicle?
You're going to end up being detained if you don't just show me
Why
your
are you
ID
detaining
and
me?
go back to work.
Why are you detaining me?
For further investigation.
For having keys? You're going to detain me for further investigation for having keys to a vehicle. Is that what you just said?
That's what you're going to end up with, yeah.
So you're going to make it. So you're going to make it fit, right? Is that what you're saying? You're going to make it fit?
That's not what I'm saying at all.
That's what it seems like you're saying. It seems like you're saying you're making it fit.
It seems like you're being argumentative and uncooperative.
This is not what you would call a consensual conversation or encounter. I don't want to participate in this. I would like to get back to work.
It wasn't consensual the minute I found that sticker on the car that you had the keys.
Okay.
But
you did what you had to do and you got back in your car. You was about to leave. Am I right? You were sitting in your car about to leave. I said
sitting in my car.
You were sitting in your car. You were about to leave.
You can't speak to my opinion.
You had your seatbelt on. You had your seatbelt on. You closed your computer. So you just want to be this petty? Is that what it is?
It has nothing to do with being petty. It has to do with my job, which is investigating crimes broken in Virginia.
Okay. So did you see me break a crime? And did you see me commit a crime in Virginia?
Being in possession of that sticker is
I wasn't in possession of the sticker. The sticker was on a vehicle that you clearly saw was not registered to me.
But you told me that you borrowed it and you had the key in your pocket.
So you further understand that is not
an indication that you were the operator of the vehicle.
So you further understand that is not my vehicle because it is registered to a female, which you clearly saw.
Yes.
So I would have no knowledge of what's wrong with the vehicle.
But you were operating.
No, you said I was operating the vehicle. I still have never, not once today, said to you that I was operating that vehicle. You said that I was in possession of the keys. But that right there was reason enough. This is a live feed, though. This is for my protection. This is a live.
I understand. That's fine. I have no problem with it. I'm not doing anything wrong. But
You're harassing me is not wrong.
What I'm telling you is that I can go back into Walmart and pull the video camera footage and most likely show that you were operating that vehicle when you pulled in the parking lot.
Okay.
So, I mean, do you really want it to go to that?
What I'm saying is, if you don't have any reason right now, while you're stopping me, with the exception of you're curious as to who I am, which that's not legal. That's no reason in Virginia for you to, no reason in Virginia at all for you to stop me or want to ask me for my identification. You know, in Virginia, I don't know if you know this, but even if I was just walking in here with a firearm, that's not reason enough for you to stop me and talk to me or ask me for my ID. But here I am walking to work.
Depending on the circumstances.
It's not. It's not.
Okay. Well, I'm glad you're a lawyer. Where'd you
Definitely
get your degree at?
Definitely not a lawyer.
Okay. Well, you apparently think you are.
I've been involved in enough situations to know.
And the reason you've probably been involved in those is because of your demeanor.
My demeanor is I want to get back to work.
Okay.
That's my demeanor. I have
I got a picture of you, so I've got what I need.
Fair enough.
Pick up your receipt.
That's not my receipt. My receipt's right here.
Well, that fell out of your hand, so...
I did it now. Well, I'll pick it up so you don't accuse me for littering.
Pick it up, okay?
I'll definitely pick it up.
After minutes of argument, the officer warns that refusing to hand over ID could lead to detention. The man firmly repeats that he hasn't committed any crime and just wants to return to work. The officer eventually decides he has enough information and backs off. The man holds on to his stance, pointing out that the officer never saw him drive and that suspicion alone shouldn't take away his rights. The encounter ends with tension unresolved, but the man walks away without arrest. What do you think about this story? Share your thoughts in the comments.
Here is another case.
This encounter begins with an officer demanding ID from a man who insists he hasn't broken any law. He reminds the officer that in Virginia, ID can only be required if there's suspicion of a crime. The officer claims the man had car keys and might have been operating a vehicle with issues, but the man pushes back, saying having keys doesn't prove he drove. What follows is a heated back and forth about rights, suspicion, and whether the stop is even lawful.
Oh, am I a suspect?
You have to do that.
Are you detaining me or am I free to go? Please don't waste my time.
How you doing, sir?
I'm doing fine. How are you? What's your badge number?
404.
Your name?
Okay, I need ID from you now.
Based on what? First
need
answer
ID
me
from
one
you now.
question. Am I being detained or am I free to go? If you tell me I'm being detained, I'll give you ID. If I'm not, then I'm going to leave. Am I being detained? For suspicion? See,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are being detained for suspicious of terrorist activity for taking pictures of a public police department.
I didn't take
You were standing there either surveilling. You were either surveilling. Okay, look, I'm former
When was
military.
this?
I've done it myself.
When was this?
Right over here.
So you're telling me I'm being suspected of terror? What now?
Yes, sir. For surveil. Okay, at this particular
Based
point,
on what proof?
Based on this point, you were standing there.
You're harassing
Yes,
me.
sir. I'm not harassing.
I was
you.
reading my emails of jobs I just applied for.
With it this close to your face.
It's pretty bright out here.
This close to your face.
Have you developed an iPhone? Have you developed a phone that's brighter than this screen? Because I have it. This is as bright as my screen gets. Can you see it right now?
Yeah,
Because
I see it. But
could you read?
But you had it turned sideways up this close.
Yeah,
Right here.
it's.
Right here. Make sure you had it this close. So I want you to make sure you understand that whoever you show that to, this is how close you had it. They're not going to believe you were reading your email. I don't believe you're.
So
reading
you
your
don't believe I was using my sun visor or my hat as a sun visor to read my emails?
No, sir. I don't believe that
Because of your behavior now, no, we
Now
don't
that may be what you want to tell us, but you know darn good
Well, you came over here
if we
harassing
had-
me.
If we had 10 people, probably 7 out of those 10 probably wouldn't believe it. You know that, correct?
Okay, so you're saying I have video or
We
pictures
have
of the
asked for your identification.
Hold
You
on.
didn't tell
I'm
us.
just
You're
conf-
on video.
hold on.
You said if you told me I was being detained, I would give you my ID. Now, are you not
What
going to
crime?
do that?
So you're actually suspecting me of a crime.
No,
What
sir.
crime?
I
know my rights. This ain't a Terry stop. So you've either believed that I've committed a crime, am committed a crime, or about to commit a crime.
That's correct.
I'm
Based
familiar
upon
with
what you
Terry.
did.
I'm familiar with Terry versus Ohio. Are
I
you?
understand, yes, sir.
Okay, so I am too. So
So
basically,
now that we have done that,
no, you're
this is
detaining
not the
me.
place to have an
Okay,
argument, so I
charge
tell you,
me.
give us the
Charge
ID.
me. Charge
Give us
me.
your ID,
Charge
so
me
then
then.
have you done
Charge me
anything
with the
before
crime.
you-
I want a lawyer. You're detaining me. I want a lawyer.
we do have the authority to ask you for the identification. You yourself said, tell me I'm being detained and I will give you my ID.
Well, I believe you're harassing me. I don't understand.
Now you're going back on your own word. Now
Being
you're
detained and arrested is two different things.
That's right.
No, I understand
Being detained
detained.
and arrested
I understand detained. I want a lawyer. If you're detaining me, then I want a lawyer.
Okay. Have we had to advise you of your rights for any crime that you
I
have
want a
committed?
lawyer. I won't be answering any more questions. I told you I was reading an email. You're saying I took videos or pictures. You're saying I took video pictures.
No, sir.
So bring it to court.
Play it back. I didn't say that.
Okay, what do you say? Let's start over.
Binoculars or something you were holding.
Yes.
I might have binoculars or something. What do you think I had holding to my face now? Binoculars or an iPhone? As
So
soon as he
you're
said,
trying to bait something.
you'll get to see the video on YouTube eventually one day. But as soon as he said hi to me, I hit record.
So you're obviously prepared.
I'd like not to be harassed. I'd like for you to respect my rights.
And I know, and I am respecting.
Okay, and that's all I wanted, my right to be respected. But you told me I'm being detained, and you don't have reason to detain me. You have no suspicion.
Based on the fact, look,
It's not illegal to take pictures.
It's not illegal to take pictures, but let's put it this way: if you were a photographer and you were going from building to building taking photos of, say, architectural type item, that would be unsuspicious because you would be a known photographer taking photos of architectural type buildings.
So it's
But
not.
what we have now is you. That's preferred method of any terrorist is to surveil the buildings that they might want to hit. Now,
Is this because I have a really sweet beard?
No,
You're
we couldn't tell.
So
what
you're
you-
profiling?
No, we couldn't tell what you had. All I know is you had something here, and you were standing there for quite a while staring at the building.
So you couldn't see 8 inches of beard from over there, but you could see something in my
I
hand.
saw, yeah, we saw that. And what we couldn't see was the rest of your face from here.
Well,
We saw your hands down there.
you're wasting your time, because if you're going to arrest me, you'd arrest me already, because I haven't committed any crimes.
That's right.
I'm a
That's
private
right.
citizen of the United States.
We haven't established.
The First
that you
Amendment
have
would
committed
protect
any
me if
crime.
I was taking pictures or photographs.
Well, we haven't established that you had committed any crime, so therefore we wouldn't arrest you.
If you haven't established, do you believe I've committed? No, this isn't a Terry stop. A Terry stop provides that you believe that I've committed, I'm about to commit, or I'm going to commit. What do you believe that I've committed, about to commit, or I'm going to commit?
I don't have, is it hilarious?
Well,
Is
can
it
you
hilarious?
articulate? Are you going to be able to articulate this in court? You're harassing me.
Targeted
You're-
by persons.
So?
So
Citizens
then,
have been
so what
targeted.
You're
So,
saying it's not okay. Why do I wear this vest?
I'm afraid you're about to violate my rights.
Why do I wear this vest? Why do I wear a vest?
Did you swear oath to protect the Constitution? Did you? Okay. Well, so did I. When I served in the military, so did I.
So did I.
So
What unit
so
were you
actually, does it matter?
in? No, it doesn't matter.
Does it matter?
I was
What unit were you in?
I was here in
Well,
Fort Campbell,
that's-
Rockstein. I also served in Berlin Brigade while the wall was up. I was there when the wall came down.
That's beautiful.
Made a huge amount of
Man,
sacrifice.
I bet the Germans wish they had the same rights as us. If this was Nazi Germany, you would already beat me down and took my ID card, huh?
No, I wouldn't.
Okay,
because
are
even
we
as a
done here?
military member, I saw
Cause-
bullets I do that, and it wasn't something.
We
that I-
both know we're wasting each other's time here.
I have identified myself as a police officer, but I have not made any arrests.
The law,
Citations, have I?
the
Have
law
I?
doesn't
Have
say
I cited you
the
yet?
law
You're free to
doesn't.
go, so
Have a
you
good
can
day.
go. Have a good day.
Be safe.
You too.
After minutes of argument, the officer warns that refusing to hand over ID could lead to detention. The man firmly repeats that he hasn't committed any crime and just wants to return to work. The officer eventually decides he has enough information and backs off. The man holds on to his stance, pointing out that the officer never saw him drive and that suspicion alone shouldn't take away his rights. The encounter ends with tension unresolved, but the man walks away without arrest. What do you think about this story? Share your thoughts in the comments.